Hi everyone. I'd like to tell you today about how to add grease to the Chicago Electric or the Harbor Freight 6-inch dual action polisher. Uh, this is model 69924. There are two models. This is the more heavyweight model. I prefer this one. It's better machined. It's a really nice model. There's another video on internet showing the differences between the two, but this is a much better model. And you see there's several videos also to add grease or replace the grease in the gearbox because there's just not enough grease and it makes the machine very noisy. I'll show you a very simple way to accomplish this. The way to do it is remove this cover. I just loosened the screw, but just remove the cover. And this is the gearbox right here. And you need to get grease into this gearbox. And if you go on the internet, they go through a complex way of removing all of this material in order to get to the gearbox right here. But this is a simpler way to do this. And that's this port. This port is used by this tool to hold the gear in place in order for you to remove any of these lower portions of the machine. So basically you have simple access to the gearbox. So what we've done is use this port to add grease to the gearbox. And the way we do this is just simply take a 10 ml syringe, and I've added a 1/4 inch latex tubing, short piece, maybe 1 inch or 2, and fill the syringe with grease. I've used wheel bearing grease, and it's really the same way as greasing the wheel bearings on your trailer or whatever you have you need to grease. Take wheel bearing grease, good quality wheel bearing grease, fill the syringe, and then put the tubing into the hole, push it down as far as possible, and then inject that grease into the gearbox. I was able to get 2 syringe loads into this gearbox. Then turn the machine on, and what will happen is a little grease will come out of here. This is really designed to get excess grease out of the hole. Wipe it off, and you're ready to go. You can use this port to add grease periodically. If you're using the machine very heavily, you might want to add more grease every few times you use it. But this is a much simpler way to get grease into this machine, and it's much quieter and will probably last a lot longer with the grease filled in this unit. Thanks for listening.